everybody. As you can see, we are not on the Yamaha today. We're on the CBR600, little sport bike. Always feel awkward when I switch from the dual sport back over to this, but discovered that I picked up the nail in my Yamaha, so figured appropriate to pull out old Trusty here and take a little ride up Highway 9. Very common little motorcycle route for most any kind of motorcycle. It's great for sport bikes such as this, but equally great on a little dual sport or a cruiser or whatever you really want. The only real issue, as I see it, is that there are quite a lot of people on it these days. Cars, bikes, pretty much anything. People out on Sunday drives, people traveling from here to there, into the mountains, into the national parks to go hiking, whatever. Just about everything. Quite a different experience to be on this bike than the Yamaha. Like I said, it's been a while. I do enjoy this kind of riding still, but I'm kind of pampered with the dual sport. It's far more comfortable than this bike. But herein lies the problem with this road. Like I said, you run into a lot of folks, and especially on this bike, it is not much fun to be stuck behind other people. Pretty aggressive seating position, hard on your back, but as long as you can open it up, have a lot of fun. And people don't like to pull over when they're supposed to. Perfectly good turnout there. Oftentimes people don't use them. Sometimes people are good. Most of the time people are not. Here comes the sharpest turn on the road. Don't let this one catch you out. Coming from either direction. Lockdown, trying to get in rides when I can. No flat tires is gonna stop me. Hopefully this will all blow over soon. Just past the 236 Big Basin Way down to the Big Basin National Park. Done a video on that as well, if you want to check that out. Not too far from here, we'll cross over Skyline, which I recently rode, of course. Hopefully I'll get a chance to do another video. There's a little lookout spot. It's closed down for the pandemic, I believe. No stop zone at the moment. But yeah, hopefully I'll get a chance to do the other section of Skyline Boulevard. That's an interesting one. That would be good on either this bike or the dual sport, but even better if you can actually stop somewhere. Maybe take it to Half Moon Bay or something. As you can see, there's plenty of people out here. Hiking, riding, driving. Eventually this will drop you off in Saratoga Village. Here's where we cross over Skyline Boulevard. Castle Rock to the right. Half Moon Bay, San Francisco to the left. We'll go through here and take the rest of the cruise down into Saratoga. Pretty much downhill from here. Seen a few Porsches spun out on this going up this corner. All that rear weight. Beautiful day. Beautiful day for a ride. Up a little bit. Get a little glimpse of San Jose to the left. This road here, you can make a left, pretty tight left there. Will lead you down to San Thomas Expressway. Not a bad little jaunt. Might do a little video on that one of these days. Definitely more of a dual sport road than a sport bike road. No dirt, just a little rough and tight. Lots of road bikers, as you can see. And then you get goofies like this doing U-turns right in the middle of the highway. Yeah, as you can see, pretty frequently traveled road. So while it's a great road for motorcycles, it can be treacherous or just annoying, depending on how aggressive you are. So maybe consider coming out a little earlier in the morning when not everybody is out on the road. The only problem with that is then you got the morning dew on the road, which can be treacherous in itself. Well, here we are. We found Saratoga. Found myself a real pile up here. Not the most exciting sport bike ride on Highway 9, but it is what it is. Take what you can get. More like this. Hopefully with a little less traffic involved next time. Like and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time.